Let's go!
Check out these two redheads, but you can win this one. It's a 1974 Holden Torana L31 SL 5000 and it's worth $300,000.
Congratulations.
What a legend. Thanks,
Good on
buddy.
you, mate.
Thank
Well served, and once again, thank you for your service.
Let's go!
Part you've been waiting for. You've got a 308 engine stroked to 355, a massive 400 horsepower output, top-loader gearbox, 3-speed manual transmission and 9-inch differential. This is as genuine as it gets. You've got a black interior with new period-correct carpets and door trims, new suspension and brakes, plus only 7,500 kilometres since its restoration. No expense has been spared in this restoration. You've got a full bare metal respray finished in factory Salamanca Red. You've also got new glass and chrome work, plus these Simmons wheels in 1510 in the rear and 15.8 in the front. So if you want to experience pure Aussie muscle, you've got to get your packages. It's Jackie from Classics, where we proudly support veterans.